Hello friends. Today I will show you how to create Would You Rather type quiz. At this moment they are working very well. Like, check this video. This video got 30,000 views within 3 weeks. They have only 200 subscribers. Let's check their channel. With only 10 videos and within 1 month this channel got 200 subscribers. That is just awesome. Let's check another video. This video got 20,000 views within 1 month. Let's check their channel. With only 9 videos and within 2 months this channel got 300 subscribers. Amazing! So small channels are also getting good views with this type of videos. Now, content idea. I think within 1 minute you can get unlimited content idea. How? Just right here Would You Rather. Then type any letter. Like P. Now C. Pet edition. Poop edition. Phone edition. Now delete P. And type any other letter like K. See the result. Kiss edition. Kids edition. So just type any letter after Would You Rather and get you content idea. I will show you how you will easily get your content using ChatGPT. I will suggest to use your own voice to get monetization. At this moment it's possible to get monetization with AI voice or even without voice with this type of content. But as this is an easy topic to work with, so surely so many YouTuber will work on it. So later when similar types of content will come more and more, then YouTube may demonetize content without voice or AI voice. So start with your own voice. Now how you will use ChatGPT to generate content. I prepared this prompt. You can use this. I will add it with the description. I have given him some example. Asked him to use an imaginary percentage number. It will make people more interested about your content. Also I mentioned I need them in Excel format. And for this tutorial I need 30 for food edition. To make your own content you just change the food edition to any other edition. Like pet edition. Kids edition. Anything you want. That's it. So this is our content. Now we will use Canva to make our content. We will use the free version of Canva. From this Canva dashboard click on Create Design. Write YouTube video. From here you can choose any video format. Short or long process is same for both processes. I am selecting longer video format. I will make a 10-second video first. You can change the video length from this option. For video background I will use 2 images. Search red from the Elements search bar. I am using free version of Canva. From photos selecting this one. Now adjust it with the background. It will cover half of the screen, as I will use another image for background. Now select one blue background image from the Elements section. Now adjust it with the screen. Now from this option you can use border type and border weight. Now clicking here change the color of the border. Do the same for the red image. From Elements select one rectangular shape. Adjust the shape and bring it at the top. Give it a color from this option. Now take another shape. Bring it at the bottom left and adjust it. Give it a different color. Changing the color of the top one again. Now duplicate this one. And adjust it here. From text option click on Add a heading. Right here Would You Rather. Place it at the top. Select Answer text box. Copy the first option from ChatGPT or Excel. And paste it here. Now place it here. Decrease the font size. duplicate it, and place it here. Copy the second now, and paste it here. Now we need a versus image. Search and select one from elements, like this one. Adjust it between two images. Now bring one rectangular frame. Resize it. Duplicate it and place the new one here. We will adjust our images here. Now we need images of McDonald's and Burger King. But I think all the images we need are not available here, for both free and paid options. So I will suggest download them from Google. Visit Google. Select one, and download. Do the same for both. Now upload them to Canva. After that, select the image and drag it over the frame. It will adjust automatically. Do the same for the other one. Now you can change the font size from this option if you want. And select Change All to change all the text of the video. Now press Shift and select both shape and text. Now select Group. Do the same for McDonald's and Burger King. Now select all three group and click on Animate. Select one animation from this list. I am selecting Fade. Click on both options for in and out animation. Now I will add two text boxes for imaginary percentage number. Now copy percentage number and paste it here. Bring it in the middle of this box. Click on Effects. Select an effect for this box, like this one. Now duplicate and place it here. Change the number. Now I will add one timer from elements. From graphics, I am selecting this one. Resize and place it at the bottom. Also select one animation for versus. Now we will adjust timing. Right-click on it and select Show Timing. I will adjust this text box from here. We'll start the second text box from the same place. Few moments later, from this position, the timer will on. Now I am adding one timer sound from upload option that I downloaded from YouTube and uploaded here. It will start with the timer. And when it will finish, the timer will end. So adjust the ending point of the timer. Now adding the time up sound effect. It will start where the timer ends. Also downloaded this from YouTube. Adjust it. When the timer will end, this percentage box will appear. So adjusts it timing. Do the same for the second one. Now select both percentage box and animate them. selecting Pop for it. Now check the video. So first part is complete. Now duplicate this page. Copy and paste the versus box here. Do the same for the audio. Check it a bit. Go to ChatGPT, copy another option. Paste it here. Copy the other option. Select this text and paste it here. Also change the percentage options. Now we need to change the images. So go to Google, download them. Download the images you like. Now upload them to Canva. Now bring those images over the rectangular shape. So that's it. Let's check it. Our all text animations are fading away at the end. So don't click on both. Click on Enter. So our boxes will animate at the beginning. And it will not fade away with the video ended. So follow this process for the rest. You can make short video by following the same process. It's just easy and simple. I think anybody can do it.